Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another awesome unboxing for you guys. This is the first unboxing video on YouTube, I do believe, of the new Southwest Airlines Denver Airport hangar from Clipper Models. Very excited to finally have this. I now pretty much have all the cargo hangars or maintenance hangars to say at Denver International Airport 1 to 400 scale. So I definitely will be making a video soon with all those together as well. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into this. Shout out to Clipper Models. All right, everybody, we have the box open here. As you can see, here's the Southwest hangar. Nice and carefully wrapped up. First off, let's stop here. Happy holidays from Clipper Models. Super high quality here. Very grateful for every order, every build, and every aviation enthusiast who's helped us, our small business, grow. Wish you a joyful holiday season and a smooth landings in the new year. Aw, well, thank you, guys. Definitely a customer for life here, guys. Really like Clipper Models here. Also, go check out their jet bridges, guys. They're super amazing. I'll be putting these on my MSP report here very soon, so stay tuned for that. This will make a good addition up here. All right, guys, just want to show you how much care Clipper Models puts into packing their items here as well. As you can see, I just unwrapped this piece here. Super high quality here. As you can see, these actually are doors that go in here, and you can actually adjust them to what you want to have opened or closed. So I really like that feature too. Definitely put a link in the description of this video, guys, where you can pick this up on their website. Ooh, I like that shiny reflectiveness on this too. Nice. This is cool, guys. Like I said, I got a layout coming with this too. It'll be from Clipper Models and Model Airport Network, so that should be on the way soon. Lots of great parts here. Obviously, these all do connect, so I will get these together here. Hope you guys are all doing well. Model Airport Nation here. Lots to come in the near future here, as always. All right, guys, let's get this together. All right, guys, here we have it. The magnificent Southwest hangar here from Clipper Models, featuring fully interactive doors. I'll show you guys how they work again in a second. Especially, I feel like this kind of just goes unnoticed by most people, but lots of detail goes into the back or the rear portions of the hangars. But this adds so much realism. So super cool here. These pieces just kind of fit together in here. So super easy. And they're also, like, look, there's actually lots of detail on these. Even says which way they're going to. So it's super easy. I also use the pictures to help too, but if you don't have pictures to look at, it makes it really easy, guys. Like I said, I do have a mat coming for this, so that's going to be amazing too. So that'll obviously make it look more realistic. But this is what we have today. And also, yes, so these things come out. So you could do it like that. They just insert like I showed you guys. So super easy. So let's say, yeah, I mean, like, let's say you want it open. You know, you want, I don't know, you want half of it open. You can do that. Place it here carefully. And then there you go. You want to put a light in there, you can put a light in there. And you can put, this can probably fit, yeah, you can fit 2 planes in here. Maybe even more. But, yeah, super cool. Also, under it, you also have the scale roof in here. Really, honestly, guys, this is super durable too. So yeah, it's super high quality. Shout out Clipper Models, guys. Yeah, this is the way to go. Super cool. I'm excited for what Clipper Models has for the future. Their products are really high quality. So shout out Clipper Models, guys. Awesome jet bridges again, by the way. Well, yeah, I'm going to make another video once I get the map for this too, guys, so stay tuned. I'll also be making a large Denver video with all the different hangars together here. So I'll be doing that after my Minneapolis update here. So stay tuned for that too, guys. But again, shout out Clipper Models here, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting. Model Airport Nation to you guys.